Yo, what's up, faggots? Today, we're gonna be putting a kill switch on the C10. You feel me? Got all the equipment right here. These switches, Amazon. I'm gonna put a link in the description. All these connectors, electrical connectors, Amazon link, and then the wire. It's like a copper wire. All links in the description. First step, you know, want to find your fuel pump relay. To find the fuel pump relay, I put the key on the ignition and switched it on. And when you switch it on, one of these relays should be like ticking. Whichever ticks is the one that's the fuel pump relay. So boom, first step. All right, second step. Turn the ignition key on. Okay. Go to the fuel pump relay, which you have already located. And you're going to be using this voltage reader to stick into each wire on the fuel pump relay. And you're going to find the one that's reading 12 volts. And that's the wire that you're going to be cutting in half. That's it for that step. So we're going to wire the switch. I'm going to be using these two blue connectors. And I'm unscrewing these screws. And I'm basically going to connect each these blue connectors on the side of the screws. And then screw back the screw back on. And yeah, and the wire should go in there. I'll show you at the end. Alright, got the wire ran through. Got the two connected. I don't know if you can see it, it's blurry. But now we're gonna connect these. The one that's ran through inside the truck, we're gonna connect it inside the switch right there. Right here, okay? Alright, boom, all wired up and on, and it works. And I'm gonna show you when it's off, it doesn't work. Now we're gonna put the kill switch on off. I'm gonna crank this bitch. See this whole don't start. See how it doesn't start? But let's see something. Yeah, it doesn't start. See? So yeah. This is how to install a kill switch. Catch you guys later. Next video should be how to put a quick release steering wheel on a C10. And hopefully that goes good, inshallah. Catch you guys next time.